Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can edit your contacts on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any browser on your PC and go to AOL Mail. Now, what you need to do is log into your account. If you don't have your AOL Mail account yet, you can sign up for AOL now. After you have logged into your AOL Mail, you will see this type of interface. Now, go ahead and click on Contacts. If you can't find Contacts, you can find it under Views. Click on Show, which is over here, and you can find Contacts. Tap on it and you can see some of your contacts. If you want to add contact, tap on the three dots, click on Add Contact, and you can add a contact. Now I'm going to teach you how you can edit a contact. You can see these are your contacts. Tap on the contact which you want to edit. After that, you can see Edit Contact over here. Tap on it. Now you can edit all of the contact details. Go ahead and write down what you want to edit. And if you scroll down, you can see that there are additional informations which you can add, such like your email, phone, address, work details, personal details, and all of this. After you have done editing, go ahead and click Save. After a while, you can see that the contact has been edited. Let me show it to you once again. Open AOL Mail on any website and go to Contacts. On the left hand side, you can see Contacts. Tap on it, select the contact which you want to edit and click on Edit Contact. Now you can edit the contact details, the personal details, work details, and all of it. So go ahead and edit it. And after you're done, you can see Save on the bottom corner. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that your contact has been edited. I hope this video about how you can edit contacts on AOL Mail was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.